The people closest to you are the biggest threat to this business, 100%. The worst advice you can get are from your friends and family when asking them about this business. They're outsiders. They have no clue. They haven't watched all the videos you've watched, right? Asking, do you think this book idea is a good idea? They're going to say, yeah, because they want to protect your feelings. They care about you, right? I don't care about you. I only care about your bank account and that it goes up. So I won't protect your feelings. I will tell you what sucks and what's great. And that is something people don't realize in the beginning, that the biggest challenge, especially when you're broke and you're starting from next to nothing or below nothing, that your friends and family, when they hear that I'm starting this online business, and their comprehension of an online business is like, it's either Amazon or nothing, right? Like running Amazon, they have no clue that there are people stupider than them that make 3 times the amount that they make monthly in a week, who are like half their age, sitting at home in their pajamas all day doing the business that you're starting. Like, they can't comprehend that because they're not in the space. So be very careful on who you, one, tell about your successes and who you ask advice from, because your friends and family are some of the worst people to get advice from when you're starting something new that they have no clue about, because their job is to try to protect you and protect your feelings and protect your ego. And that's what their job is. But that is counterintuitive when you're trying to build a business. You don't need protection. You need advice that's going to help you get the results that you want. I want to take on this point because I can, right? When you're starting this business and like you have a spouse, right? Somebody you care about, that you share things with and everything, right? You need to bring them fully in. You need them to be watching all the YouTube videos that you're watching. You need them to watch like the training, the webinars. You need them to be sold on the business too. That's very important, because if they're not, it's just going to be a constant struggle through the hard times, right? Because they're going to see all of this money go out, and it's going to take months for any of it to come back. Months. And during those months, they're going to be doubting your abilities to do it. Not your abilities. They'll be doubting the business. The business works. It's your abilities that you have to build up, your skill set that you have to build up in order to get the results from the business that you want. And if they understand that, they're going to be way more supportive. But too many people don't take that important time to have their spouse sit down and, can you watch this video with me about how to find a keyword so you understand what I'm doing? Can you watch this video with me on like how to make money with this business? Can you watch this video with me to understand a cover? Do you think this cover is good based on that video that we were watching? Here are some of the competitor covers, right? Like, getting them involved is the biggest win you can possibly do, because if they understand it, they'll be more supportive during those low times. And there will be low times. That's something you have to prepare for. And it's just easier when your partner is there supporting you with it.